So I've just arrived at Norwich train station, ready to go to London. I'm just going to Cambridge first, and Jenny is picking me up, and then we're heading off to Pro Beauty. We're going to be on the Lecenté stand. So today is Saturday. We get there and we are going to be setting up the stand all day today, and then we're at the exhibition on the stand all day Sunday and Monday. We're doing live demos. I'm doing a stage demo. Really excited because I'm going to be meeting all of my team Lecenté there. Today's setup day, been on the stand. We've had so many products to sort out, so many boxes to go through. Just been and chucked a load of stuff in the lockup. Yeah, it's been a long day so far, so it's all coming together. It's all very exciting. Really good, so I can't wait to see it when it's fully done. And that's a wrap. We're absolutely exhausted after day one of Pro Beauty. I've been demoing with Jenny all day long, and we've done an event on the live stage and demoed that too. We were just on here. So we've been super busy. We've worked all day, so now it's time to head back to the hotel for a big glass of wine and some dinner. Well deserved, definitely earned. Here she comes. XL for day two of Pro Beauty. We were so busy yesterday doing demos on the stand, and all everyone wants to see is glazed nails. It is literally all about the glaze. I have glazed so many nails and done so many glazed nail demos for the last couple of days. That is absolutely the thing that all you nail pros are after at the moment. Definitely going to do a YouTube tutorial on glazed application, so keep your eyes peeled for that, because I'll do that hopefully in the next week or two and get that on, because the application of these is super important to get it right. I'm feeling really dehydrated, so I've just filled my bottle up, one of these down already this morning, and ready to get on to my second. I've done my demo on stage yesterday, which was really nerve-wracking, so at least I don't have that to psych myself up for today. It's just going to be getting in the show and doing loads of demos. So yeah, looking forward to that. It's been really great catching up with the Lecenté team. Met some of the girls from the office that I've never met before, so that was really nice. It's great to get to know everyone. Loads of girls that I spoke to so many times on Instagram, and yet don't actually even know their names, and I don't know their faces. Recognise the nails, recognise their business names, so that's been really cool too. Yeah, so I'm going to go in and get on with day two. Let's take a look, walking around, got lots of salon stuff, walking in, salon furniture, and it kind of goes into a skincare section. These are little VIP loungers. Popped in yesterday at 3 o'clock and got a little glass of bubbly, which was quite nice. Well, it smells so good around this section, all the products, the section I'm now coming into, it's great. The show has been so busy this year compared to when I came last March. It was really quite quiet. Well, not quiet, it was busy, but this year we've been heaving. To be honest, like coming in and out of the show is the only time I've seen all these stands. We were so busy yesterday, we literally didn't get off the stand, which is great, but yeah, as for looking around the show, not so much. We're expecting another busy day today. I think Monday is renowned for all the college visits, so that'll be nice. It's Speaking to lots of aspiring nail techs now coming into the industry. We're in the pink carpet area, which is cool. Now coming into the nail section. Tannin stuff and brows down that way. ABT there, glitter bells. Lots of other little cute pink stands over there. Studex. Might come and see if I can get my second piercing redone today, because I've been thinking about that for a while. So if I get a break, that's where I'll be. Here's another little VIP area. And this is the stage where I done my live yesterday. Not gonna lie, I was very nervous, but I done it. And here's the girls now getting ready to set up for today.